The unseen battle. The hospital hallway is silent, yet a storm brews inside every room. Machines beep rhythmically, each sound carrying a story of survival. Hidden behind those blinking lights is a silent question. What if technology could see danger before it arrives? Imagine a world where a heart attack is predicted days in advance, where cancer is caught before the first symptom, where mistakes vanish because machines never forget. The thought feels futuristic, but it's happening now. The invisible eyes beneath the skin, tiny sensors move like invisible guardians. They measure sugar levels, blood pressure, even oxygen. Not once a day, but every second. The machine that listens. In a dimly lit room, a patient whispers their symptoms, but the one listening is not human. A voice assistant records every word, compares it with millions of cases stored in digital memory, and within seconds whispers back possible diseases. No hesitation. No forgetting. Only cold, precise answers. Yet somewhere the human heart wonders, can a machine truly understand pain? The predictive mirror screens flicker. A face appears, tired, pale, weak. The camera scans beyond the skin, reading tiny details invisible to the eye. In a heartbeat, it predicts the risk of stroke. This is not magic. It is AI reading what humans miss. But suspense rises. What if the mirror doesn't just show who we are, but who we might become? High surgery without hands. A patient lies unconscious. Above the table, robotic arms move with inhuman steadiness. They cut, stitch, and repair with precision no human hand could match. The surgeon only watches, guiding from a screen miles away. The battlefield of data. Every hospital bed, every blood test, every heartbeat. All of it becomes numbers stored in giant invisible clouds. Algorithms read them, find patterns, and predict outbreaks before the first news report. But data is power, and power has enemies. What happens when the very information that saves lives is stolen? When healing becomes a battlefield. The healing code. Deep inside a lab, scientists write lines of code like spells of survival. Genetic information is decoded. Diseases are edited at their root. A single alteration in DNA, and what was once a lifelong curse vanishes. The suspense sharpens. If we can edit disease, can we also edit humanity itself? Where does healing end and control begin? The ghost in the machine. At midnight, an elderly patient sits alone. A small robot rolls forward, offering water, reminding about medicine, even telling bedtime stories. Loneliness fades, replaced by mechanical companionship. But behind these glowing eyes, there is no soul. A question cuts through the silence. Is comfort still real when it comes from a machine? The silent revolution. The world changes quietly. In villages where no doctor has ever gone, drones deliver medicines. In cities, smart apps connect patients with specialists across continents. What once took hours now happens in seconds. Yet no one notices. The machines hum louder, the data flows faster. The suspense is unbearable. Will technology save us or own us?